We just got finished fishing. We weren't planning on making a video today, but I brought the camera just in case something exciting happened, and lo and behold, Miss Thing over here catches her personal best. So we're gonna pop that short little video here. Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Hang on to it. Keep it on. Keep it on. Solid 2-pounder. Solid 2-pounder. Be proud of it. Look at your fish. There you go, buddy. Good job, Mama. Now act like you just caught a big ass fish.